Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a powerful and thought-provoking book that investigates the ways in which search engines and algorithms can perpetuate and reinforce societal biases, Algorithms of Oppression, How Search Engines Reinforce Racism by Safiya Umoja Noble. In this book, Noble explores the ethical implications of biased algorithms and offers recommendations for how we can work towards more inclusive and equitable technologies. The power of search engines. Before we dive into the book, it's important to understand the central role that search engines play in our daily lives. Search engines have become a primary source of information for many people, providing us with quick and easy access to a vast amount of information on the internet. However, as Noble points out, search engines are not neutral tools. They are designed and developed by humans, and are subject to the same biases and prejudices that we are. As a result, the results of a search query can be highly influenced by the algorithms that power the search engine, and can reproduce and amplify existing biases and inequalities. The role of algorithms in amplifying bias. In the book, Noble discusses the various ways in which algorithms can reproduce and amplify biases. One of the key ways in which this can occur is through the use of bias training data. If the data used to train an algorithm is biased, the algorithm will be more likely to produce biased results. For example, if an algorithm is trained on a dataset that is predominantly made up of white faces, it will be less likely to accurately recognize faces of people of color. This can have serious consequences, particularly in fields such as law enforcement where facial recognition algorithms are increasingly being used. Another way in which algorithms can amplify bias is through the use of biased ranking systems. Many search engines use ranking algorithms to determine the order in which results are displayed, with the most relevant results appearing at the top. However, if the algorithm is biased, it may prioritize certain types of results over others, leading to the amplification of existing biases. The impact of biased algorithms on society. In the book, Noble discusses the ways in which biased algorithms can have a negative impact on society. One of the key ways in which this can occur is through the reinforcement of stereotypes and prejudices. If a search engine consistently returns biased results for certain topics, it can reinforce harmful stereotypes and perpetuate existing inequalities. For example, a search for black girls might return results that focus on stereotypes and objectification, rather than providing a more balanced and accurate representation of black girls and women. This can have a harmful impact on the way that people view and perceive certain groups, and can contribute to the maintenance of societal inequalities. Recommendations for ensuring equitable algorithms. In the book, Noble offers several recommendations for how we can work towards more equitable and inclusive algorithms. One of the key recommendations is the need for greater transparency and accountability in the development and use of algorithms. This could involve making the algorithms and their training data more transparent, and establishing clear guidelines and standards for their use. Another recommendation is the need for diverse and representative teams to be involved in the development and decision-making processes related to algorithms. By ensuring that the teams developing and using algorithms are diverse and representative of the communities they serve, we can help to mitigate the potential for bias and ensure that the algorithms are more equitable and inclusive. Overall, Algorithms of Oppression, How Search Engines Reinforce Racism by Safiya Umoja Noble is a powerful and thought-provoking book that investigates the ways in which search engines and algorithms can perpetuate and reinforce societal biases. It offers valuable insights into the ethical implications of biased algorithms, and provides recommendations for how we can work towards more inclusive and equitable technologies. Whether you are a researcher, developer, or simply someone who is interested in the impact of technology on society, this book is a must-read. It serves as a reminder of the importance of considering the potential impacts of algorithms, and the need for transparency, accountability, and diversity in their development and use. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.